Don't let the aggressive looks fool you. The Milestar Patagonia MT does more than just tackle mud. Whether it's rocks, snow, or sand, this tough tire provides maximum traction in any terrain. Capable of hardcore off-road performance, or simply attention-grabbing looks and street-friendly manners to conquer your daily commute. Featuring a high-void tread design engineered to provide aggressive biting edges while promoting self-cleaning capabilities by quickly expelling mud and debris. A 3-ply sidewall provides added strength and protection, while stone ejectors protect against stone retention and drilling. Angled biting edges and complex siping, combined with the staggered off-center tread blocks, add outstanding lateral stability while enhancing on-road performance. Built to tackle rugged terrain anywhere you may want to explore. With the most popular LT metric and high flotation sizes ranging from 31 to 40 inches in diameter, the Milestar Patagonia MT will allow you to push your vehicle to the limit.